Okay, how to group clips for faster color correction and staying organized when you need to color correct a bunch of clips. I'm not a full-time colorist, but I've just discovered this useful technique. So you've got your project here, your sequence, and as you may know, you can color code different clips. So certain clips pertain to certain cameras or certain angles. So when you go into color, now you can go into the light box. In the light box, you see everything in your edit from start to end. But if you go into clip color on the left and select only the clips that you want to focus on, in this case, I'm focusing on this interview. So now when you click light box again, in your color timeline, the only clips that you will see are the clips that you want to focus on. This makes it very useful if you want to separate certain interviews or B-roll. In this other case, I click the purple and the navy, so that this gives me only these shots from the whole project. And now when you go into color, again, you only have to focus on these shots. And even if these shots are spread out in the timeline, when you select them this way, they are all together, so you can click them and select them and even do compare, split screen and whatnot. And you can also, in addition to clip color, you can use flagged clips. So you can flag certain clips in here, and then those clips are the only ones that are shown. So you can scrub through your whole project and say, oh, I will only want to flag these certain B-roll clips and create a certain look for them. So in this case, we'll go there, 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 and there, and we'll flag them yellow. And now we go flagged clips yellow, and these are the only clips we see, even if they are spread out. So this is a very useful technique if you are starting to do color in DaVinci Resolve.